Hello everyone, I am Mohan Vishnu and today we are going to discuss the judgment State of Orissa versus Devendranath Padi. In this judgment, we are going to look for the consideration which is given by Supreme Court in this judgment that whether an accused has right to file the material at the time of framing of charges so that he can prove his innocence. Now before that, the points of consideration in this judgment are: can the trial court, at the time of framing of charge, consider material filed by the accused? That means, as the case being instituted in the court of sessions or court of magistrate, can the trial court admit the material filed by the accused? And if that material is not enough to file the case or proceed with the case, then he should prove his innocence. So we will look at this case now. In Satish Mehta's case, in the Satish Mehta versus Delhi administration, two judges bench of Supreme Court held that if accused succeeds in producing any reliable material at the stage of framing of charges, then that material should be considered by the court. The object to provide the opportunity to the accused of making submissions envisaged under Section 227 of CRPC is enable the court to decide whether it is necessary to proceed to conduct the trial. Now, Section 227 of CRPC deals with the discharge. If upon consideration of the record of the case and documents submitted therewith, and after hearing the submissions of accused and the prosecution in this behalf, the judge considers that there is not sufficient ground for proceeding against the accused, he shall discharge the accused and record his reason for so doing. Now we will look at its interpretations. So the first interpretation is records of the case. The record of the case means when it appears to the magistrate that offence is triable exclusively by the court of sessions, then the magistrate sends the records of the case and relevant document to the court of sessions envisaged under Article 209 of CRPC, and court explained that it is evident that record of the case and documents submitted therewith as postulated in Section 227 relate to the case and documents referred in Section 209. Now, hearing the submissions of the accused. The expression hearing the submissions of the accused cannot mean opportunity to file material to be granted to accused and thereby changing the settled law. At the stage of framing of charge, hearing the submissions of the accused has to be confined to the material produced by the police, that is, the charge sheet under section 173 is the whole submission for on behalf of the accused. Now, the main point of this case, in this case, the Supreme Court three judges bench held that the 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 court held that the law is that at the time of framing charge or cognizance of the accused has no right to produce any material, and the court has overruled the judgment of Satish Mehta which is given by the two judges bench of the Supreme Court. So thank you so much friends for watching my video. If there is any suggestions required, so please comment in the comment box, and if you want any judgment in this video form, please let me know. I will surely try to make judgment on your behalf. Thank you so much friends. Good day.